An old hut, its roof leaked whenever it rained and the walls were cracked. In that hut lived a widowed woman Savitri with her 4 daughters, Meera, Radha, Jhumki and Payal. It was a stormy night. Inside, the 4 sisters sat huddled together under a tattered quilt. Array Jhumki, move your legs back. You have taken half the blanket. What can I do? My legs are long. Anyway, you know na, God sent me here to become a famous heroine and supermodel someday. In this bush tea, you'll become the model of the chawl. Meanwhile, their mother's voice echoed from the kitchen. Girls, come, dinner is ready. Come fast, else it will get cold. All 4 sisters rushed towards the clay stove and sat on the floor. One day ma, we will not live under this leaking roof. We will have a proper concrete house of our own. Why only roof? Build yourself a palace, but for now eat your roti quickly. The sisters smiled at her joke. But in their hearts, each girl dreamed of a better life. A different future. By next morning, the rain had stopped. Meera the eldest went to a government school nearby. Radha worked in a local stitching factory. Jhumki helped in the next door dhaba, cooking and cleaning. Payal the youngest one went to school. Ma, today my teacher scolded me again for these torn shoes. Everyone laughed. Can't you get me a new pair? Talk to your sisters when they come back. By evening, the 3 elder sisters returned home. Payal immediately asked them for shoes. Not this month, Payal. I have to clear the shopkeeper's dues. Can you just wait a little longer? Yes, even my entire salary went for Ma's medicine this time. And all my money finished in paying electricity and milk bills, Choti. Poor Payal's eyes filled with tears. The sisters felt bad, but they too were helpless. That night while everyone was quiet, Meera spoke firmly. We 3 work day and night. Yet every month we are short of money. We must do something big. But what Di? Listen, each of us has some talent. I can teach dance. Radha, you can stitch beautifully. Jhumki loves acting. She can train kids. Payal has a sweet voice. She can teach singing. Tell me, when we have all this talent, why should we work for others? Why not start our own center right here? But in this broken hut? Yes ma, we'll start our Shikshan Kala Kendra. The sisters looked at each other with joy. They joined their hands together over Savitri's hand, sealing the dream. Outside thunder rumbled again, but instead of fear, this time their hearts held hope. The next morning, a thin beam of sunlight entered through the holes in the roof. Energetic Meera woke everyone up. Get up, today is the first day of our new life. Life may change later, but for now let me at least sleep. Jhumki, dreams only come true if you wake up and work for them. Together they went around the whole basti, distributing handwritten pamphlets, telling neighbors about their new initiative. Slowly children from nearby lanes started coming. See ma, very soon our days will change. It seemed their plan was working, but life always tests the brave and their real storm was yet to come. One day while all 4 were busy teaching, a tall angry man walked into the hut. How dare you start classes here without my permission? Who is this rude man, ma? This is Ramesh. Long ago to fund your studies, I borrowed money from him. In return, I had to deposit the papers of this hut. The sisters froze after listening to this. Ma, why did you hide this from us? I didn't want to trouble you, Bitta. How could you think, ma, hiding it was better? It's okay ma, we will repay the debt. But this is our home and it will be ours only. Ha ha ha, you have that kind of money? Don't worry about the money, we will somehow arrange it. Okay, if you say so. I'll give you 1 month, pay me back or get out. That night, silence filled the hut. For the first time, Meera appeared shaken. Payal softly asked, Auntie, will we have to live on the streets? No Payal, this will never happen. But how will we arrange such a big amount in 1 month? I know how this money can be arranged. Everyone amazed with Jhumki's voice. Yesterday I saw a poster. A talent show is coming to the city. First prize 50,000 rupees. Jhumki, this is now time for joking. I am not joking, Di. We can all participate in the show. We have a talent. All we need is confidence. Children, a boat never reaches shore if it fears the storm. At least try. From that day, all 4 started their practice. Meera practiced dance for hours. Radha stitched elegant dresses. Jhumki rehearsed dramatic dialogues. And Payal turned her melodious voice with devotion. The big day arrived. The sisters reached the auditorium. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, next performance, the four sisters, Meera, Radha, Jhumki and Payal. In the audience, Ramesh sat smirking, convinced they would fail. But as soon as the performance began, magic filled the hall. Meera's graceful dance lit up the stage. Radha's handmade costume sparkled. Jhumki's acting held everyone spellbound. Payal's soulful singing brought tears to many eyes. God, please be with us. Minutes later, the winners were announced. And the winner is the four sisters. They were handed a check of 50,000 rupees. These girls are unstoppable. Wow! On their arrival at home, their neighbors flooded the lane with sweets and congratulations. Savitri, your daughters are remarkable. They made all of us proud. The next morning, the sisters walked straight to Ramesh. Placed the prize money on the table. Here is your money. Now give us our house papers back. Yes, you girls really did the impossible. I underestimated you. I am sorry for my behavior that day. Ramesh handed over the documents. For a moment, peace returned. But fate had another twist. Within days, news spread that a wealthy real estate tycoon had bought their Basti land. Soon, all shanties would be demolished to build a shiny mall. Where will we go now? We have nowhere else. We stood for our hut. Now we will stand for the entire Basti. The whole slum rallied behind the sisters. The next day, they marched to the rich businessman's office. Meera, Radha, Jhumki and Payal stood firm in front of the businessman. You cannot force us to sell our land. This is our home. We'll pay you handsome compensation. What if we don't want to sell at any price? What are you talking about? When money will be given, who will refuse? I am denying selling my house. Even if you bring truckloads of cash for that. This is our home. The courage of the sisters spread like wildfire. One by one, every family in the slum supported them. Finally, the businessman gave up. The community won the battle. You proved yourself again, my daughters. 3 months later, the hut no longer looked broken. The sisters' dream was alive. Meera now officially taught children both dance and academics. Radha ran tailoring classes for girls. Jhumki directed street plays with kids. Payal's voice had reached the local radio. Look at my 4 gems. Once they didn't even have enough to eat and today they shine like stars lighting up the whole Basti. If you like my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe.